everybody. I'm back out here in the shop. I got the fender off the truck again. I think I'm gonna go fairly low with this thing, so I'm gonna go ahead and give myself some room. I think I'm gonna cut out some of this inner structure on the fender and just make sure I have some room where nothing's gonna rub when I get it down where I want it eventually. And this fender, it's about junk anyway. Let me show you. Got a little bit of rust here. Have to do something with that. Look at around that right there. So I got to get rid of that. The outside of this fender, well, here's another hole on the inside. The outside of this thing, it's not straight at all. It's got dents all over it. So while I've got a cut on this thing anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and play around with it and see what I can do as far as giving myself some more room. I'm thinking if I can take all this and just move it up 3 inches or so, should give me plenty of room. And I may be able to use either a factory inner wheel well, or I may at least be able to cut one up. We'll see. First thing I'm gonna do, drill out all my spot welds, take this bracket off, and see if I can locate it back in the original spot. I should be able to relocate it with all the holes that I put in it, the drill holes, to get it back in the same location. But I gotta get that off. Just want to make sure we can put it back in the same place. I've got to change over to my smaller wire. The 030 is just too much, it's burning through. I'm also going to try to use this wheelhouse. This is pretty much the section I've got to widen anyway. So that'll give me a chance to cut that section out, put in a new piece. So that's where it's going to be stretched. It's going to be cut and stretched up. I'll get rid of some of this stuff. A big bulge. The holes, weld that up. Take care of that at the same time. So it should be a fairly stock looking inner fender and wheelhouse. We'll see. Trying to get a little more room in here. That big old tire that probably never going on here. So I've got to hook up my other welder. The 030 is too hot. It's burning too hot and burning through. So I need, I'm gonna break out my 110 welder. Burn her down. And I'm gonna start stitching this thing together. Or I might throw it in the garbage. Lots to do. So I'm gonna go around this thing, tack it all together, push everything up like it's supposed to be and tack it. In case you haven't noticed, I really don't know what I'm doing. Just gotta wing it, man. Just gotta make it happen. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll be done with maybe one fender before too long. Y'all be good. We'll see y'all next time.